What's going on, everyone? My name is Mark Milano and welcome back to an Adobe Photoshop tutorial. I am so happy and excited to be back making YouTube videos, so let's jump right in. So I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't, go ahead, check me out on Instagram and hit that follow button, because on my Instagram, if you guys do follow me, or you guys might have just seen this around on Instagram lately because it's really blown up over the past couple of months. So the multiple photo Instagram tool that you could use where you could upload multiple photos to an Instagram post, people have been using it way differently lately. So this is a post that I've made where you could swipe back and forth in between each post. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that today on Adobe Photoshop. So if you guys don't have Adobe Photoshop, don't be discouraged. I'm going to be releasing a video on how to do it on your smartphone for a Pocket Edit Sundays episode, which is actually going to be my first video on IGTV. So check it out on my Instagram this Sunday at about 6 p.m. Eastern time, where you guys are gonna be able to learn how to do this same technique on your phone. But I thought I'd make another video like this one where I could go ahead and actually show you guys who have Photoshop how to do it on here nice and easily. So let's jump right in. I took this photo a couple weeks ago, and this is obviously the one that I had posted on my Instagram. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. It's really easy, really quick. And yeah, so here we have the photo. Now, the first thing that you are going to wanna do is you're gonna wanna go over to the crop tool and have that selected. So here we have the crop tool. Now, we're gonna go up to where it says ratio, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna type in 12 by 5. There we go. So now it's going to crop the photo by a 12 by 5 aspect ratio. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring down the photo where I want it to be. So I still want to have some top sky, but I do want her to be in the photo as well, like kind of the lower body as well. So I'm going to keep it, I think that looks good to me. Hit enter. Well, we'll hit the check. Hit enter, hit the check, hit what you got to hit to get it to crop. And just like that, we have the photo. Now, what do you have to do next to cut it in half nice and easily? Well, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. So you're gonna go up to the view button, and we're gonna go ahead and go down to new guide layout. Click on new guide layout, so unselect rows if it's even selected, have it set to custom, and hit columns and just make it look like this. We want it in 2 columns. Hit OK, and now we have a perfect photo cut straight down the middle. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to right click on the crop tool, and we're going to go to the slice tool that is underneath crop. Now, once we have the slice tool open, we're going to go over to where it says slice from guides. Slice it up from guides, and there we go. We have 2 photos separated. Now it's really simple and easy from here. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go to File, we're going to go to Export, Save for Web Legacy, and now it's going to have both of the photos here. We want to keep it JPEG, keep it maximum, 100% quality, and go ahead and save. I'm going to save it to the desktop, and we're going to go save it. I already have the photos there from when I did the first time, so I'm going to hit replace. Boom. Awesome. So now that we have it saved as legacy for the web, we're going to go ahead and we're going to minimize Photoshop, and we're going to see in our folder here that we have images selected, and here we go. We have our images, both of them ready to be uploaded to Instagram. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it was really helpful and it showed you guys something new and awesome that you guys could do on Instagram that really like wows everybody when they see it, because it's not hard to do it all when you have Photoshop. And I'm going to be releasing the tutorial for how to do it on your smartphone this Sunday, 6 p.m. on my Instagram at milano.digital. And I hope I see you, all of you there. I'd like to thank you all for watching. My name is Mark Milano, and I'll see you next time.